Hey, if you don't have this instrument in your sound library, bro, you're cheating on yourself. Hey, what's up? Hans with Inter Studios, and today I'm showing you one of the great sound a producer must have his sound library. So this is Anna 2 Ultra Bando 2026. So this instrument has bunch of presets from hip hop, trap, EDM, Afro. So it have cool soft keys for Afro, have softy crazy basses, the 808 for trap, acid, bass bells. So one of the greatest plugins for me. We're having this ultra sad trap. We're having the sad trap too. So these are crazy instruments. Crazy instruments, bro. So go look for yourself this Anna 2 Ultra Bando. It's out everywhere. I'm going to take you through some of the cool presets now for hip hop. So do you hear that effect in it? There's something like sliding, some slides effect. Like as I said, it has some soft keys that you can blend in with some instruments and you make far beat. This is crazy. Mad Rich Braz. Wow. And cool about this instrument is that you can mark your instrument to favorites. You can have crazy effects. You can map. You can redesign the sound to your desired sound. Let's check in the vintage analog and see what preset did they pack for us. So let's check the keys. Also come and search for plugin that you want and make your selection like soften. So here we are in presets. This is the bank, this is the category, genre, the subcategory. So let's come to here, select all, then the presets is on default. You come, you select it. Let's check in 808 and see what are they having for us. Let's check. You can go check one by one until you find your desired sound. Let's check another one. Leave out those samples that you've been using always when they're in long key, they were badly processed. This is Antu Ultra Bundle, bro. What are you waiting for to have this? Grab yourself this copy at a discount. So let's see the Ghana preset in 808. Fire, just fire. Sub-Zero. stuff. Let's check in guitars and see what are we having. Listen to this. You hear that FX, the delay, the reverb in it, well designed, engineered. Woo! This is fire, bro. Grab yourself this copy at Sonica Academy at discount. Remember, it is Antu Ultra Bundle. Happy music making at 17th A Studios.
17th all day. And scratching this beat.